Welcome to the Astroimaging Journey channel. Please enjoy the episode.
Hello and welcome back to my Astroimaging Journey channel. And in this episode, or this part rather, we are going to create another star mask. And because we're going to be doing some HDR work here in a little bit, and we're going to need that star mask to make sure we don't do anything to the stars. Let's go ahead and open up our process icon. It's pretty close to defaults. Noise level is a 0.1, I believe. Scale is 6, and smoothness is 16, if I remember correctly. So those are obviously changed. Other than that, we pretty much leave it as it is, and we apply it to our image. And let's see what it gives us. All right. If we expand that, we've got pretty much all the stars. It isn't doing anything with the nebula. So that's going to work for us. We're just going to go ahead, we're going to apply this to our image. I'm going to minimize it, pop it over here. Now we want to do the HDR to the nebula itself. So we need to make sure we invert this mask. That works. And we're going to hide the mask. And that's pretty much it. We've got our mask, we've applied it, it's hidden. We could do a range mask, but I don't think that's going to be needed at this point. So that's going to be it for this part. And the next part should be applying some HDR to this image. So with that, I'm going to say thanks for watching. Hope you found it informative. As always, clear skies, and have a good one.
Thank you for watching yet another video from the Astroimaging Journey channel. Really appreciate your viewership. In our upper right, we have the latest video we've uploaded. In our lower right, we have what YouTube might think you would enjoy. And in the lower left is our subscription button. Please like this video, subscribe if you so choose. As always, clear skies, have a good one, and remember Duke.